discuss the chapter 8, 7 signs, wind, storm and cyclone. Air exerts pressure. For this we can take various activities. Here we have taken some water in a tin can, boil the water for few minutes, then close the lid tightly, pour fresh water over the can. What do you observe? The shape of the can get compressed. This is because when the water is heated, it changes into steam. When the can is cooled by pouring water, the steam in the can condenses and the pressure of the air inside the can becomes less. So the pressure air outside of the can is more, so it compresses the can. This shows that air exerts pressure. This is the diagram given. High wind speeds causes low air pressures. High wind speed causes low air pressure. Wind blows from a region of high pressure to a region of low pressure. For this, we can do a simple activity like this. Just hold a strip of paper about 20 centimeter long and 3 centimeter wide between the two fingers and blow air over it. What do you find? The paper strip will be lifted off. And this is because when the blow air over the paper, the air pressure above the paper becomes less and the air pressure below the paper is more. That is why the air below the paper pushes the paper off. Okay, understood? Next, another activity. Just take two balloons of same size, pour some water in both of the balloons, blow air in the balloons and tie them with threads and hang them on a stick about 8 to 10 centimeters apart. Blow air in between the two balloons. What do you observe? The balloons will be pushed towards each other. Why? When you blow the air between the balloons, the air pressure between the balloons become less and the air pressure outside the balloon is more. So air outside pushes the balloon towards each other. Air expands on heating and contracts on cooling. For this, we can take another activity that take a boiling tube, stretch the balloon tightly over the neck of the tube. Pour some hot water in the beaker and insert a boiling tube into the hot water. The balloon gets inflated. Then insert the tube into another beaker containing cold water. What will you observe that? The balloon gets deflated. This shows that air expands on heating and contracts on cooling. Next point, warm air is lighter than cold air. Warm air is lighter than cold air, so warm air rises up. When warm air rises up at the place, air pressure reduces and the cold air moves into the take its place. Let us do an activity for that. Take two empty paper cups of same size, hang them in an inverted position from the two ends of the stick. Tie a thread in the middle of the stick and hold the thread. Keep the burning candle below one of the cup. The cup rises up. This is because the warm air is lighter, rises up and pushes the cup. This implies that the warm air is lighter than the cold air. Next point, uneven heating of earth causes wind movement. Wind movement are caused due to uneven heating between the equator and poles, uneven heating of land and sea. Then you are able to observe that this is equator, then the north pole, south pole. What is happening there? And during the daytime, the lands become heated and the sea is the warm the air is colder. So the during daytime the that is called land breeze. That air moves from uh, the air moves from the sea to the land. During night time the reverse occurs. Uneven heating between equator and poles. The region near the equator get maximum heat from the sun. The air in this region become warm and rises up. Cold air from the region between 0 to 30 degree latitudes north and south of the equator moves towards the equator. At the poles of the air is colder than the air at 60 degrees north and south latitudes. The air at this latitude rises up, and the cold air from the poles move into the take its place. This is the diagram. Rising up moist air, descending cold dry air, what the phenomenon. Uneven heating of land and sea. In summer, near equator, the land gets heated faster than sea. So the air over the land gets heated faster and rises up. Cold wind from the sea flows towards the land. This wind carry water and bring rains. The monsoons wind carry water and bring the rain. And you are able to see in winter the direction of wind is reverse and the wind flows from land to the seas. Thunderstorm. When the temperature rises in atmosphere, the strong wind rises upward that carry water droplets upwards. The water droplets freeze and fall downward. The fast movement of falling water droplets and rising air causes lightning and sound. This is called thunderstorm. Cyclone. When warm air rises up, it causes a drop in pressure, so air rushes into the center of the storm. When this is repeated several times, very low pressure and high pressure speed wind revolving around it, it is formed. It's called cyclone. Factors like temperature, wind speed, humidity causes cyclone. Cyclone is also known as hurricane in America and typhoon in Japan and Philippines. This is the figures of these hurricanes. Mechanism of tropical cyclone formation. This is the how this is the air hot air moving down, descending of air, the outflow. This is the mechanism of tropical cyclone formation. Destruction caused by cyclone. The strong winds during a cyclone causes very high sea waves. Sea water moves towards the shore and enters low-lying areas. It causes loss of life and property. It causes damage to the road, dams, houses, trees, crops, power lines, communication system, vehicles, etc. These are the diagram or some figures of this. Tornado. A tornado is a dark funnel-shaped cloud that reaches from the sky to the ground. A strong tornado can travel at speed about 300 km per hour. It sucks dust and objects from the bottom and throws them away from the top. This is a diagram of tornadoes. So, how we can protect from lightning and thunderstorm? If you are outdoors, open vehicles like motorbikes, trucks, etc. are not safe. Open fields, parks, elevated places, or tall trees are not safe. Carrying an umbrella is not safe. If in a forest, take shelter under short trees. If in open field, stay away from the trees and poles and metallic objects. Don't lie on the ground. If inside the house, lightning can strike the electric wires, telephone cords, metal pipes, so contact these objects should be avoided. It is safe to use mobile and cordless phones than wired mobile phones. Electrical appliances like TV, computer, etc. should be unplugged. Bathing should be avoided to avoid contact with running water. Anemometer is a device to measure the speed of the wind. Like this. This the revolving corbs are there. This is a diagram of anemometer. Make your own anemometer. Children, you can by using two plates you can make and pin into the pencil eraser. You can take like this stapler paper cards, color cups, and pencil. You can modeling clay. You can take of your own anemometer. Anemometer. Next, we will discuss the question and answer of this chapter. Question answer of the chapter Wind, Storm and Cyclone. Question number 1. Fill the missing word in the blank spaces in the following statement. A. Wind is dash air, moving air. B. Winds are generated due to dash heating of the earth, uneven. C. Near the earth's surface, dash air rises up, whereas dash air comes down. The warm air rises up and cold air comes down. Air moves from a region of high pressure to a region of low pressure. Suggest two methods to find out the direction at a given place. So you can take any activity for that. In our general notions, by seeing the direction of dry leaves released in air. Second one, by seeing the direction in which it is difficult to ride the bicycle. You can take another possible answer also. Question number three. State two experiences that made you think that air exerts pressure other than that those given in the text. Here also we can take, suppose when we fill air in balloon, it becomes tight, and if we try to fill more air, the balloon will get burst. मतलब balloon फट जाता है. So it means that air exerts pressure. Second, wind causes curtains, doors, windows to move with the direction of winds. This implies that also air exerts pressure. Question number 4. You want to buy a house. Would you like to buy a house having windows but no ventilators? Explain your answer. Uh, it is not good idea to buy home without ventilators because warm air is lighter than the cold air. Hence, warm air pushes out of your home ventilators. Accordingly, without ventilators, warm air will not pass out and the house will remain hot or warm. Question number 5. Explain why holes are made in hanging banners or boarding. As you know that air exerts pressure, so holes in the banners and boarding helps air to pass through it. Hence, the banner and the boarding can withstand and resist the pressure exerted by the air. Question number 6. How will you help your neighbors in case of cyclone approaches your village or town? And there are various steps we have to take. I will make them aware of cyclone forecast and warning services. Second, rapid communication of warning of to the government and all important agencies. Construction of cyclone shelter in cyclone prone areas, helping them to shift essential goods, domestic animals, etc. to a safer place. Question number 6. Question number 6 over. Question number 6 is over. 5 is over. 6 is also. Question number 7. What planning is required in advance to deal with the situation created by cyclone? To deal with cyclone, it is important to follow the following points. Carefully listening to the warning transmitted in TV radio, moving to a safer places, store food in waterproof bags, sorry, not moving towards the sea, keeping all emergency numbers of police, hospital, etc. Question number 8. Which one of the following places is unlikely to be affected by cyclone? Chennai, Mangalore, Amritsar, Puri. So the correct answer is Amritsar because it is far away from the sea. Question number 9. Which of the following statement given below is correct? In winter, the winds blow from lands to ocean. In summer, the winds blow from lands towards the ocean. A cyclone is formed by a very high pressure system with very high speed winds revolving around it. The coastline of India is vulnerable to cyclone. The first one is correct. In winter, the winds flow from land to the ocean. Thank you. Thank you very much.